Looks like my package got a little bit damaged there. Comes with your little leaflet. Tells you part 1 poly gel, builder gel, spider gel, glitter gel, regular color gel nail polish. This is all what you can get from Saviland, guys. There's the poly gels and all that in there. Cat eye. It's got customer questions and answers. That's always useful. And look, we've got a little nail dryer. 45 seconds and 60 seconds. Click on it once, 45, double click at 60 seconds, guys. It's a rainbow UV Mini 1 UV LED lamp. And it is the pink one. That's really cute. We have a Saviland file, which is 100, 180 grit. That's always handy. Okay, now let's get these out. This one is a base coat. And this one is top coat. All right, I'm gonna get all these out and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, they gave us, in this kit, they give you a matte top coat, a shiny top coat, and a base coat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and base coat these up. And that's FZ01. And I'll be right back. I wanted to show you before these come out. These have to be cured for 60 seconds. This is the base coat. It is not real thin. I mean, look at that. That is the base coat. To get the little nail lamp out and show you what it looks like. It does come with a cord. Pretty nice little cord at that. It has the instruction leaflet in the box. And the on and off buttons at the top. And it's got 6 little lights on it. It stands up. These all have 2 coats on them. These 4 here, I just did half of the top for 1 coat and half of the bottom for the 2nd coat, because they're more like jellies. So what I'm going to do is I've already top coated all them with the top coat, which is very, very, very shiny, which is the FZ08 diamond top coat. And all these bottles are 7 mils, guys. And that's all of them with the shiny top coat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to matte top coat 1/2 side of each of these nails, and I'll be right back. And like I said, guys, I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but this is the Moroccan nail gel set. And here is the matte. And this is what they look like, guys. This side is the glossy top coat. This side is the matte. And that is Lovely Pink MKL01. Milky White MK03. Baby Orange MKL05. Light Yellow MKL10. Pinkish Purple MK17. Femi Love is MKL16. Cayenne is MKL21. Pure Blue is MKL22. Oh, that's that one. MKL23 is Toro Purple, MKL23. And then Dreamy Purple is MKL24. And then Young Purple is MKL25. And then the Nude Purple is MKL26. That's it, guys. Just wanted to let you see what I've got here, and I will see you later.